2.5 TDI pump duse water pump change instructions and tips. I just took out the old water pump from my touareg. It's with plastic thing. I don't know how many kilometers it have been driven, but what I noticed was that you have this kind of overflow thing under the engine behind the catalysator, and this is meant to overflow water out of the engine. If this first seal on the water pump fails, then it goes through that hole and comes out through the hose, but the hose is full with grease during time, so it doesn't work. After that, this second seal breaks and the water goes inside the engine and breaks the whole engine. That's why I recommend taking out this thing totally. It shouldn't come any water when you drive the car if the water pump and its seals are working like they should. While on my car, when I took this out while driving, nothing came out, but when I stopped the car and the engine, little few drops of water started to come from that empty place where that thread is. Now I will change the water pump and see will the water stop coming totally. But when this pump breaks, your whole engine will break because oil and water will get mixed, and that's really bad. So take out that thing, and when you change the water pump, they tried to sell me cheaper brand product, but I trust to have metal water pump thing, because if you get some kind of dirt in your system, the plastic thing can break easily. This casted one doesn't break so easily, so it's much more reliable. The price was actually the same. So if you order it online, choose the SKF version that at least have metal propeller. For the installation process, you need special tool kit, which I ordered. It was $70 for this car. Otherwise it's almost impossible to get it out, and in some cases you need to use heavy force to get it out. I didn't have to take the engine out or anything. You can get the pump out. You need to use some kind of mirror there to see a little bit, but it's pretty easy job. The bolts which the water pump is fixed are Torx. What's the size? 10. And then you need 5 and 6 millimeter, that kind of flat head, and 30 millimeter wrench. There you put the thing to hold the engine not rotating when you took out this gear with this puller.